Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi Hills District ka Mitali Chandra kalayaro ya ka jing itanat jong ka Rose Homestay kabadon ha ka Shnong Nongkhlaw da ka baong bagani ka homestay kalayar Ryngkat Kyrdan bat ki 5-star hotel. Ka Mitali Chandra kalakren ya kani ha ka por baka lejban pli pat ba ya ka Rose Homestay ha ka bakala ay kublay kerpang ru ya ki try jaka jong ka homestay ya ka tanat tourism industries bat ya ka Meghalaya Rural Bank Nongkhlaw branch kibalaya trailang ban penurlong bantay ya kani ka Rose Homestay kabalong kum kalat sengkam sengjam. Hagani ka ying sa basa kabadon laimala bat sautali ki jakathia kibala don lang nadu ki kamra sum ki kamra lejbar bat kiwei ki jingdon kam kat kum gajuk menta la long try da ki shikurim kata ka kong Rose Tina Maublay bat uba Plingstar Nongrang. Kani ka dayru ka homestay ka ba nengkong haga Shnong Nongkhlaw. Kinong kran hagani ka sngi, kila kenturu yaki pat ba bakin pai kmat syaka kam tourism da ka ba seng yaki kam lajong namar ka Shnong Nongkhlaw, nalor bakaday ka Shnong don nam jong usiem tirot sing. Latip ru yaka kum ka Heritage and Cultural Village, ka ba don haka yaki jaka jungok kai kiba itanat kum ka krem tirot, ka resort, ka Khasi Patriotic Home, ka museum, bat kiwei ke jingpen sa nam. Shushu kilaong baka Shnong Nongkhlaw ka dayru ka Shnong kabadon ya ki jaka jungok kai, kabajan Shagohati Airport, kabagi tourist ki juyai lengba, habaki wan jungok kai ya ka jing itanat kari Khasi jaintia. Kiwei pat kibalay don lang hagani ka sngi ki kentup yo ba Nongbri, u Project Director ka DRDA, jong ka Eastern West Khasi Hills, uba El Martong ADC, uba Nongbri Manager ka MRB Nongkhlaw, Key Officer nagatnat Tourism but Industries na West Khasi Hills District, u Sordar ka Shnong Nongkhlaw uba Kewar, nalor kiwei kibala syakot ngobha. Lapen syongkun shushu ya ka program hagani ka sngi da ka jingruai nagikon jong gitray ka Rose Homestay.
Okay. We now inaugurate our Rose Homestay. We have set the standard this high.
Kani gede kesengi ke ba kam kerpang ya ke sinong jungi. Namar ba kade ka first time mengiyo ya kade ka homestay po sinong jungi. Te na kaliang juga saudar nga kentu nga ai men semru ya kinong sinong bakin keu sa prang kam tam ba ka sinong jungi kade ka sinong ka ba kidon tourist spot kung krem tirot kiwi ki museum te gadero kawe ni kesintar kiba nakau hati na asam sa ni hakapor liur yo iba kibul kinong late kinongwan nrei ke jakasa kamdron nrei mentangi layo mentang sni ngidap da gejing kemen bangin sayo berpli ya kane kain
nadu ipor ndai thai ni juong ita ki yeng shong basa ke ba min daya ya chebubun ki jakal dangilet la dangilet jinglet kibrian ni por dai thai ki wat ikata ka yeng shong basa timu kata ka jing don kam jing kita ki yeng basa kalon ke ba don kam padu kata ta ya ki bayang ki ba let jinglet na kapor tes ngau tanat kum si banta ban kentiu ya kam jung akai perthai hapo ka state bro koi ka tourism department lam ke jung snok ti lam bat ka industries department kila penmi ya kani ka konsep jong kani ka homestay ni ju sngo borbor ki brio ki snai ta ki hotels ki lada khamtam dengi le cha ki nongba le ta kum haslo goti ne ki nongba jong hapo ri india ni yo iya ki hotels ba kidon kelai tang ba hang ni gumbong iba lasbon mane ngimong kita ki hotel sendiri ong ke homestay nomor ubrio umi nalasnong nalayeng berwan juga kai ya ke jing itanat jong ka state jungi tada kumni ke district jungi kamtam ye ni ke snong jongpi tada wan ki bondan kata ka home feeling mak jing sngo ko ba kinum tamang ye nomor bon ki badami na yeng ki yo ita ke jing pang ki bong homestay tenre dadan ki homestay ki ba kum kini ya kinong lek nong wan nong jiko kai perthai kan wanra ita ka jimlong ya ta ka atmosphere ka bakit dum dan kata kejing kinja ye kan so kum badan hayeng la jong ta ka daw ya ini ya kini go homestay hab bandan om tang bo ngi snai kan ni building rei hab dum dan ni kata kejing sngo baki briu kenju kinjan bat kinda sngo kwa wan ong mi kwa skwa ban lensa biang hapo ru homestay po Nongkhlaw adai bandan kata kejing Desi benta kani ke jingle jong I ba pling ba di kong rustina hawat ka kadai ka kamai ka yang kasem na tai kun kiti desi benta ru kolong pat la dai kong kam ka ba raktin pareng yang ta ka entrepreneurship ka ba ngi kinti ba ni ai la ni seng kam lam ngi ai kam ye ki wei ki khana samla hakum kani ke juk mentali dang yong banya be tai kam sarkar ala jenjar hadu kata ta Tegla dai kapur ba kimi pa ba khat kumta wa ikhna samlar berkat kumta bakat bala wanyele ban yang halaki jong kijat mok sarkar pembiang ki skill development trainings ki prepare ngidon ka skill development office sangtai te bat ki training na ki department ki prepare ka ba la on ki yang halaki jong kijat kom tang bangin depend ha ka kam sarkar ndrai bangin yang ban yo kam meladi ban ai kam ki wei di kumbalong hi Nongkhlaw wadai ka cultural ba ka heritage village ki ni kerman babun ki bri kin wan jungo kai kani khamtam dala play sa ya tu resort ka bahang thi indla pelong functional ya ka thi ka kadon ka kram tirot ang thi kadon ka museum hang thi ka ba lesi tang hadin ka katugan isnem kan salong ka jaka ka ba ki Torres na keleng jong kari India kin wan ban yu ujat hang ni sorong bahkan ye jadi kita ka homestay ka paningkong ban pli hakani ka jaka ka ba ngi rakhenam ya u tirot se kay kadon ka patriotic home ta tay ajan ka badon umat tirot lalu lupa ka ka tourist attraction ka marjan bahkan ka homestay ni ka kermen bat kani ka jington jong kani ka surok rani godang nasra road kanya rap sibun iya jingle jingwan jong ki tourist bat kinyo ka jakasa ha kini tingkit pok ruyang ya I ba pling ba kayang kasam ki boro ba ka kani ka homestay kan dalong sya ka ban Kesyak ya ki nolek nongwan to da kiban yo e kaja kasa kaja kadam gabobiang bandam ta huli feeling gombo but kemen cuma ai jumut balada la ban pu ke mo bahasa nam na sini jadi ke let's say kung kinja handicraft products ni ki ladang iyo ki jhur ki belong organic ki balik si ki terus kindawan hang ni mendai tambah syuong ki syuan susah ndai kin rak senen buat kajin kemau ya ka Nongkhlaw tebun hapot Nongkhlaw ru kino ruai kino shat ki bulit ubet let's say dadon gawi cultural troupe dada perkhat na kalian jong kasnong kaba lada giwan ki torres la ban perform kin siu te ka tu ka troupe kan em kalong bangi promote ya cultural tourism haju ka por om tang banshu jung kai mo hidon kam ki jakabam ki ba biang ki ba kansai mo kat sebalik iwat jakabam ka biang ba ka jakatia am ka biang mo teng kerman ba kin pinang yo jumut cui kita ki ai ba pinya be sa kita banang pembiang kanang ba diberi kendawan hapo Nongkhlaw kinong be ba kadai ka complete tourism village.
Sisa ngomdan ni bangan ay tingkalan tanggang syo ad tingkit bok kit yang yapi iba tingsta badi kongrus kina ya kani kajingle kajongpi bat kadiru kanuksa kababhay kiway pat ki nong songsnong bakin seng ya kani kam but kidan bun ki scheme na tourism ba kila ban apply kani ban kong kadi ko homestay nang ta gaway pat kadon ka tourism prime vehicle mata di ikali jong nobanta ki tourist nongta kadon ka agro villa tourism nongta kadon show ka community lead in infrastructure ta kidang don bun ki scheme nobanta ka tourism ba ki ila ban apply ban yo ila kam ki jam nongta ki is samla.
Our district is truly blessed with this beautiful natural landscape. We have a rich tradition and culture. And the most important part that we miss always, the warmth of the hospitality of the people of Meira. And today that we all have gathered here to celebrate one of the achievement, one of the success of our entrepreneur in building this beautiful homestay. I feel like, this is like a 5-star place, that we have built here with all the amenities. Nothing I have missed. It has everything. Beautiful plants, the ventilation, the design. It's unique in its own sense. In Shillong, we have seen, and in other parts of the country, we see people have been spending thousands, lakhs, crores of rupees just to match this standard. And now it's a privilege, it's an honor for me to be part of this celebration, to be inaugurating this. But many congratulations to you. And this is just not a homestay. For any tourist who come to East and West, it's a place where you can experience the blend of our culture and the beautiful landscape. And we are truly blessed that this place is located at the optimum distance, We are just near the airport, the Guwahati airport. We are expecting more tourists in this region. We have our tourist spots, our tourist attractions, like the Rod Singh Memorial nearby. We have beautiful waterfalls and this beautiful landscape. Believe me, we all are blessed here. And we are thankful to you that today you are pioneer in building this homestay. And as I'm told, this is the first homestay in Nongkhlaw village. So a big round of applause to the entire team. And we are expecting, like Kongrani was telling about the schemes under the tourism department, our tourism vehicle, our tourist infrastructure scheme. We request everyone to kindly apply under all these schemes so that we can take forward the tourism sector in the district, because it's very much a need of the hour. It will give a boost to our economy, it will provide livelihood to all of us. So I request all the residents of Nongkhlaw to come together and develop a beautiful homestay to get a tourism vehicle, to apply for the tourism vehicle so that we can cater to the needs of the tourist. But I would like to take a moment and acknowledge the effort of the entire team, for putting together this beautiful structure. Firstly, our DCIC Nongkhlaw, the scheme Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, and in convergence with the tourism department, that today we can see so many beautiful homestays coming up in the state, and this is one of them. And this homestay, we can document it. It sets a big standard, for all the entrepreneurs who will be applying in coming days. And our branch manager, we have struggled through in sanctioning so many loans. But for this, I would really like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for sanctioning. It would not be possible if our branch managers are actually sanctioning these loans. And our tourism department for guiding us throughout. And the most importantly, the entrepreneur, the owner of the house. So this is not more than crores, I think. It's not less than a crore. Believe me, we have seen government spending. You may ask any engineer in the government department. We have spent crores of rupees, but nothing match this standard. So it's a remarkable achievement, and I would request our entrepreneur to kindly impart, to share your success stories with more other entrepreneurs so that we can build similar such kind of homestay. And also I would like to mention that you have beautiful daughters with a beautiful voice. So for any tourist who is coming to this place, it's like a full package. You get everything. You get natural beauty, you get such a beautiful experience of music, you get everything you desire just in a place. I can see fruits, you have this orange orchards here. There's no other place better than this, I would say, and I would request more other entrepreneurs to please apply, and we would like to capitalize on this location. And I would promise that from my side, we'll do our best to ensure to extend whatever assistance possible from our district administration. We would love to extend all the support to the entrepreneurs who have done this beautiful work, and we will take your journey forward. We'll give you what you actually deserve in this thing.
Na kwa batay tang kanyat pang kanika scheme mo baday PMEGP. Hapo jong kanay amde tang ka homestay but kiwi gijat kamru bafia laban wan mi sa kabang ban pan ki jinara kibun ki scheme mo khamtam Nongkhlaw le mta ba ki ha dade ha ki kiwi ki jat kam kum steel fabrication ki ba trikam ding hapo jong turu fia laban apply kani ko homestay ho to kadi ko way ba kawi ka avenue ba ibanong kum na ba bakan sayara ba ski mar ka Nongkhlaw ka long ko way nagi tourist destinations sa ko way mde nang kata ibon ki brio ki ba lake bawan nang ne na Nongkhlaw bawan na Assam ki Balisha airport ne ki ba kwaban lake na Shillong Shwero da kimdan kono no ga jakab da class lam kum na tamon ki lalaban petep ki lalaban man sa ta kayarap
ngayang hang ni kum way nagi officers jong ka district commerce and industries center ka office jungi kade po Nongkhlaw hindi nado pagi pya ni district te kadang hap po ka jurisdiction jo ka DCIC Nongkhlaw te jo ko po ngidan ka office ka barit hak te po mairang but ni function hiru tongkat ban nang tay kombat kunjuru kami pa kadang ya ina Nongkhlaw te ni kong nga so comment ban yi ya kani ka yi ai khublai phi kong sina kunjuri ba pleng ya kani ka chna jo phi kade ko ka jing minot ka bakhraw but ka ek bukhat kade ka jing ai ban sin ki breu shane na market kum information bagi ka you na po department kade ka banikong po Nongkhlaw but ka ek bukhat kade so sarong magpa kade ka sinjam ka banikong jo phi ka juru ka shnong ai khublai ru ya MRB ng ba branch manager Adel Nongri ibala tre lang ban ni ban pinyo IP kani hadu kani ni na galang jo department bon sin hi ni persang bagin nyat kam ki prepare sha kani ka than omtang kani ka than the district hi block away ni tre hiru but keep meetings along with the office of the deputy commissioner we try to push so many avenues, so many trades into this district. So to help the people in order to raise the standard of living, to have them aware and create employment. And that is the main focus of the scheme, employment generation. And I'm very happy that it has the fruits of your hard work and your hard labor has produced such a beautiful homestay.
Ang homestay mo kayeng barsaro. Dia mau yo sa el jong pan ai sa iwe. Dia tong ba kam mo ki langsung rumah ka bandai ka home na jong ki lo kin soju kin so komen. Ha por ba ki wan sa. Temi tu bi baro ya ka jing long center jong ni ka snong kadi ka cultural center kadi ka historical center kandai ru ka tourist center na jong ni hamne. Nek man ska ma ki por ki bandawan ki wiki homestays ru bintang play. Bangi nang pula pan play la si ki we pat ki attractions mo. Unchuan sini unchusa desi la le program kwa saban la kai kwa saban jingi kwa saban le sibon ki baro tinga flight ang bon ki ba kinang song jong ni snong ki la ban apply ki schemes pat ki la ban pen mi na ka jing pul khat ka jong ki we ki kam ban kring shisho ki tourist